Hey y'all, it's LanaMor here. I'm back with another video. Why are my hands up in the air? We gotta try this again. Hey y'all, it's LanaMor here. I'm back with another video, and this is going to be a get ready with me type vlog. I'm going to be showing y'all watch me get ready, and I will speed it up, don't worry. I'm not going to make you watch me get ready the whole entire time, but I'm just going to be getting ready. My mom wants me to film a video for her channel. Shouts out to you, Mom, and her channel. I will leave her channel information in the description box below, so if you guys want to check her out. She does like taste test videos. She does a lot of hauls and stuff, so I will be sure to leave it down below. So yeah. Also, my sister and I have a channel together too, and I'll be sure to leave that link down below. Whole family just YouTubing. So I'm just cleaning my face with this little micellar water, and I'm about to get ready just to put some makeup on, a little makeup on, because I do need to take some pictures for my Instagram. I had received my shades from the brand I'm working with. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably know that I am an ambassador for Hot Miami Shades. This is the packaging, and I'm gonna put my coupon code down like on the screen. I'm not sure how I feel about the company just of yet, so I will, just like I treat my favorites videos, I'm going to kind of work with the brand a little bit for at least some time, and then that's when I can really see if they're like what they're hyped up to be. I really can't make that determinant without being really for them, but I got these little shades right here. Super cute. I don't know if you guys remember, Snapchat had this filter of these shades, and like every time that filter was on, I have so many pictures. I should like insert how many pictures I took with that filter, because that was just my favorite one. So I was like, I might as well just get the shades, because you know Snapchat be being salty and taking my favorite filters away like they do, and y'all know y'all do. And if y'all watching this, y'all know y'all take away my favorite filters. So be real, be real. Let's just be honest. I'm just saying. I mean, let me stop, because I might get copyrighted, because I sing that great to where it may sound like the real song. So, yeah. So right now, I'm just going to stop talking, and I'm going to get ready. And then I need to put some music on. How on God's green earth am I going to listen to music? I'm going to turn the TV on. I'm going to turn the TV on, listen to some music. I think I have iHeartRadio on my TV. So probably listen to music, get ready, and then I'm gonna finish off the vlog, and obviously, but yeah, y'all just watch me get ready. Yeah. y'all, it's LanaMor. Ooh, I am screaming. Let me, So I'm gonna finish off my vlog. I know I left off where I was getting ready and I ended up cutting the camera off so I can finish doing my makeup because of time sake. I'm in the kitchen. I'm supposed to be helping my mom cook food because y'all know this week is actually Thanksgiving, y'all. So yes, happy early Thanksgiving. I wish I would just look in the camera and stop looking at the view myself. But yeah, so I ended up taking the pictures for my gram, so I will probably insert the photo here so you can see, or insert my little scan thing so y'all can follow me there. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Would you guys like to say something?
Hey. Hello. Got doing these greens and spinach.
Yes. Yes, so my mama's cooking, so I'm really excited. Yes, I know. And yeah, and I'm gonna help her. I won't make her do everything by herself. She knows I'll probably eventually try to take over, but we're gonna have a great Thanksgiving, and I'll probably even vlog. I realized I never vlogged a Thanksgiving on my channel. Always Christmas, but never Thanksgiving. So we'll see. I'm gonna try to get back to my normal schedule where I upload 2 videos a week, because I know I've been slacking for the last 3 weeks, and just put in 1. At least it's something still. So like I said, I've been saying this already, but I'm gonna cut this vlog off now finally. Doodles!